Hey everybody, this is my first video using my actual voice, but what I'm trying to do is document and talk about these Hubley metal model cars. I bought a whole collection from an estate. So I've got several here. They're stacked up as far as duplicates, but there are the 1930 Packard Victoria, and that's Gabriel, but it's just a later release of the Hubley. Model A Town Sedan, 1930 Packard Sport Phaeton. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. 1932 Chevrolet Coupe, 1932 Chevrolet Roadster, 1932 Chevrolet. Certainly a theme here. Okay, we have a Model A Coupe, Model A Phaeton. Boy, the video is not the greatest. We have a Model A pickup truck. We got a couple of those. Then we have a Model A Victoria, a Model A station wagon. We got a couple of those. A Model A Roadster. Now, in this collection that I bought, it's like a whole mess of these. Supposed to be complete kits in the boxes. We will see. We're going to do a video to unbox them and show what each one of these kits consist of. But I've also got this box. Well, I bought a couple boxes of other complete cars. So I can't name exactly what they are, but these are so cool. These were put together a long time ago. So let's just call this a teaser video, because we will go through each one of these kits. And then we will look at each one of these older builds and just see, are they something that I can rebuild? Is it something you might want to rebuild? There's like a bag of parts. All sorts of these cars. Love them. I had to have them. I paid up. Don't ask me what, but I definitely paid up. These are absolutely something that are so cool, I couldn't resist. These are not like little $20 kits. I mean, I've got boxes of them. I mean, I had to get new carpet, and in doing new carpet, I had to box up everything and move it downstairs. And all this was put on hold. There's tons and tons of these. I can give you an accurate count later. But right now, I just wanted to put a teaser video out there. I'm going to do kind of what they call an unboxing video. But I've got several of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 separate kits that are supposed to be complete. And we will run through each one of these. Thank you for watching.